sa Miso Radio ni. Sir, unsay kanang mga proseso ninyo kaninos kay nag-open house naman jud mo karon. So unsay proseso para maka-start ang mga clients sa pag-avail ani, sir?
More than the house blessing that we have conducted this morning, actually, there na Bataguluan, the name of this project or subdivision, we already have license to sell, in which magpasabot-ana is that any buyers or prospective clients or customers may actually buy and do reservation. So we have the license to sell already, meaning we are authorized to sell into the buyer. So anytime pwede sila mag-visit sa among office at Mortola Street, Barangay Mungkon, Cagayan de Oro City, and inquire or make reservation. So the very first step is to do reservation. So our reservation fees is at around 10 to 15,000 I think. And then once they have reservation, so they can pinpoint the location of their preferred unit. And then, but I must tell you that DRNA Bataguluan is a very fast moving project, meaning around 50% sold out na. So if may mga prospective buyers, come and hurry and do reservation na.
Sir, ako lang iklaro kay na ay mga earlier namin na istorya ba nga ang monthly daw is sa equity is 4,000 pesos dayon 15,000 dayon kung mag-start na gid ka sa imong monthly. Sir, naapoy 12,000 nga gi-offer diha through Facebook pod og kanang 8,000 iyang equity per month. So unsa gid pwede ra di ay sir nga ikaw ray magbuot pila imong i-monthly depende sa imong ibayad.
It actually depends on your approval sa bank, financing or sa pag-ibig. Right? Diba? We all know, diba, pag magpag-ibig loan na, housing loan, depende na sa age na to, diba? So nana siya yung bracketing. So let's say if you avail for an amortization of 20 years, so mas cheaper, mas gamay ang monthly. Pero if you wanted to opt, say 10 years lang na amortization, of course, mas takot siya. So depende po na siya sa qualification ni buyer actually. So unang, after reservation, we also have what we call pre-qualification stages, in which we pre-qualify na mo ang aming mga buyers, not just sa banko, but even to pag-ibig. Asa sila mo qualify, and then with that stage, pwede po sila maka-identify kung asa mas cheaper na i-offer sa ila, kung mas cheaper ba sa bank, mas cheaper ba sa pag-ibig. So it's up to the buyer actually to choose which one they want to go.
Sir, ini-ingon na 50% sa units there is reserved na. Pila magiging ka units sa inyong itakbo?
All in all, we have 492 units.
490 units. Sir, curious lang po, sir, anong Terra Nava?
Terra Nava, actually, that's basically the landmark name on that. Hindi siya landmark name, but rather, more siya trademark name na ni John Dorf, ang Terra Nava na model. So, basta economic housing, John Dorf is really known for its model na Terra Nava. So, we have a lot of Terra Navas, not just in Cagayan. We also have Terra Nava in Carcar. So, naala din na siya from the very start. So, when we produce economic housing, we always call it Terra Nava. So, it's actually, I'm not very particular with the etymology of the name, but when I entered, 3 years pa lang maglutog sa John Dorf. So, when I entered here, naano dyan na siya, trademark name na dyan na siya.
Naabot sa Upol, di ba, sir?
Yes, we have Terra Nava Opol, we have Terra Nava Luya, and now we have Terra Nava Taguluan. We also have Terra Nava Carcar in Cebu, and I think in Mactan. So, there. We even have Terra Nava in Davao.
Sir, why here in Taguluan? Kasi naadiri sa
Yes. John Dorf is expanding. So, just like any other developers, John Dorf is also expanding. And then, we don't want to constrain ourselves in Cagayan only. And then, nag-expand namin sa Opol. I think it's high time also to expand here. And we're very happy actually that this is the first subdivision project in Taguluan. And very warm ang welcome sa mga tao sa Amuan. And with that, we can say that we are not wrong in investing here in Taguluan. Kasi very right na magod ang Taguluan. Knowing Taguluan is an industrial municipality. So, ang influx sa economy and sa people, right na dyan siya. So, it's also high time that we provide them quality subdivision para where they can live.
Then, sir, no, mamatigdan po na to. Unsay kanang advantage po diri sa area, sir? Dili ba ni mabahaan? Kaya isa gina sa pinakagitanaw no sa inyong mga client. So far sa inyong pag-research o monitor ani ka area.
Definitely, dito siya mabahaan. we have certification coming from the ENR. We have BCC certification na dili na siya flood prone because we have a very huge dike. Di ba, kita mo na yung dike dira. So, di na dyan siya mabahaan. So, flood free ang kanina project.
Sir, saan mga nagkuha sa units? There is mostly taga-Taguluan lang or nakagid from other places?
If we try to look at our buyer's profile, mix siya actually. Others from outside Taguluan are doing investment. While mostly, of course, around 70 to 80% are really coming here in Taguluan or working in Taguluan. They may not be really residents of Taguluan, but they are working in Taguluan and wanted to live here. So, especially, naamong ko din yung Viditech, di ba? So, mga workers from Viditech, from industrial zones, from industrial companies are investing here. So, although hindi sila taga-Taguluan, but they are working here. So, they are now Taguluan projects, very strategic for them.
Sige sir, invite ang atong katawhan sir nga basin mo avail ano kay limited na lang man di ang ang units.
So I'm very excited to invite you all to come and visit Hotel Namataguluan. You can visit our model house, and then if you want to reserve or inquire further to the details of units, availability, and even prices, you can also visit our office at Martola Street, Cagayan de Oro, Barangay Ubud, Cagayan de Oro. And this is the very first ever economic project here in Taguluan. Economic shop is very affordable actually. So please come here.